welcome to Gallery Tots. My name's Tess and I'm an educator at Geelong Gallery. Today we're going to make a hanging sculpture inspired by artist Kate Beynon. In her sculpture, artist Kate Beynon has used symbols with a personal, spiritual and cultural significance to tell a story. What objects can you see hanging from the artwork? How many eyes do you see? Each object holds a different meaning to the artist. The lotus flower is used to symbolize Buddhist beliefs. What do you think the fish represent? Do any of the symbols make you feel calm or happy? To create your sculpture, firstly, decorate and cut out the symbols from the activity sheet. Then, cut 4 pieces of string to tie onto your stick. The first piece, tie on both ends of the stick to create the hanger. Then tie the other 3 pieces to the stick, hanging down. 1, 2, and 3. Next, we're going to stick the symbols onto the string using tape. So turn your symbols over and stick the tape onto the back of them, like so. And like that. So they're all stuck on. Maybe you'd like to get creative and make your own symbols to hang from your sculpture too. Either way, we'd love to see your finished creations, so please feel free to share them online via Instagram using the hashtag GalleryTots.